What is up, guys? Old Town Modding, back with our second video. And we want to know what type of video, what type of mod you guys want us to make. Again, you know what I meant. Oh, come on, screen, stop. Come on. So, we'll just put in a normal video without sound. So right there's the options. The Chevy Police Trailblazer or the Police Chevy Dually 350. Now, we're going to make a poll here on Discord. And then later on today, I will make a poll on the Facebook page and on the website. Make sure to go check that out. Gosh, the creator has so many channels. Literally, guys, it has so many channels. Ooh. There's a lot of pictures, too. This isn't my device. I'm recording it for him. This is the device that we all use. Okay. You know what? I'll make this stuff later, but we just want to know, which would you rather prefer? The Ford Police the Police Trailblazer or the Police Chevy Dually 3500? Let us know in the comment section below. Vote on our poll on our website, Discord if I can get it to work, and our Facebook page. As always, leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and as always, take it easy, fellas. See you guys in the next one. Peace.